Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying the simplest Ankara turban ever using your normal Ankara head tie. This is just 1 yard head tie. So I'm going to be like 1 yard of your Ankara, the one the tailor is going to give to you, so you can easily just tie this at home. So I folded it in a triangular shape, as you can see from the beginning of the video. I'm going to be doing a 70-30 parts head tie. So I'll be taking the longer one first, then the shorter one on top of the longer one. I'll just be pinning that down. Can you see? As simple as everything. This is very simple. You can just tie this if you're in a hurry or you just want to whip something out with your own head tie. Or as a makeup artist, I just pin down the shorter hand of the Ankara down there. Can you see that? So I'm going to be pulling the longer hand out. You can see how big it's looking now. You feel the Ankara is too small, you can't tie it and all that, but this is like the very simplest Ankara turban you can tie and just go out in just like 3 minutes. This is a 3-minute video, right? It's even because I'm recording that, so you can see it's very long. So you can see I just pulled out the longer hand of the Ankara, like the longer part of the Ankara. I now went 360 back behind her head just to create a round turban. You can just style it to the side, you can style it to the middle, anyhow you want to be. Just be creative on your own. So as you can see, me and my model, we are just gisting here. So yeah, can you see? You can easily leave it like this, or you just tie it to the back, but you make sure you tuck in the remaining part of the Ankara. So I'm just pulling up the back part of the Ankara, the remaining part of the Ankara, to support the pleats. I want it, not the pleats, rather I'm just pulling it up a little bit to make it a little bit higher, and then boom, you have your Ankara head tie. You can tie this as a bride also. Me, I don't feel any style of any yard of Ankara is too small. As far as you are being creative, you can just tie this. So this is a 1 yard Ankara head tie, so you don't want to feel bad whenever you have a small head tie to tie. Just simply follow these simple steps and boom, you have your beautiful Ankara turban hairstyle. So guys, if you are new here and you are just joining us for the first time, I'm Hadidi Makeovers. As you can see, we do turbans, I do makeup tutorials. You can follow us and join the family. I drop videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So yeah, this is Hadidi Makeovers once again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and also comment, and also don't forget to share. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.